So we got some thieving bastards in India. This is what they look like. You ain't coming near me, you prick. Look at him, eyeing me up. So I did forget to mention how much the hostel is. I paid £40 for 2 nights, and that got me half board as well. So my breakfast and tea, which is yeah, it's alright, 20 quid, all meals basically. I only eat 2 meals a day anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. It's just buying drinks while I'm out. Like, I've come for a nice walk in the park, looking at the lake that's beside my hotel's like there or something. But so this is behind my hotel. It's quite nice. Just go for a nice walk around there. An interesting day. Well, I was just stood under this tree behind me. Loads of things started hitting me on the head. Well, what the fuck is that? Fucking monkeys all over trees. Keep shaking everything on my head. There you are.